Guys, you no need to give any water in indoor plant. Look at that. If you do this, but you have to be always careful. Is too much water still? Sometimes have to open. When you feel have to give water, then you can close it. Look at that, and look at that. And also they're growing very nicely. Is it like a natural rain inside? So guys, I'm trying to grow indoor plant like jackfruit, and this is turmeric. I don't know, maybe sweet one or sour one. I try every seed, really. Seed, if make plant is good. If not, then it is become compost. So soil needs something always. So this is I do really, guys. So here I keep you know dry branches, make straw, and also I make like this, guys. Look at it. Natural watering. Sometimes too much natural watering make problems, so you just have to check on this, guys. No problem. This making too much water. Happy about that, and I'm not need to use the tap water. Tap water also chemical, People drinking chemical all the time. So doctor business are growing, guys, and others business also growing. Like a billion pound cancer research growing unethically. Mainly people have to do something else, really. Budgeting have to set up different way. I'm trying my best to do, something for the communities, people. It is my research, how to grow exotic fruit in UK. I'm excited. I'm growing some. This let me show you. Yeah, this bit they're making is my room number 2. Yeah, bedroom number 2. Window, guys. Look at the outdoor today. Yeah, sky, nice sky. Blue sky, sunny, not sunny. Hey, cat, little catty, come on, little catty. Where are you going? Ah, he gone. Can't see him anymore. Anyway, guys. So this is like a auto watering, you see, guys, auto watering system. So I really today do lots of packing like this. So when you grow a plant, you should put one polythene there, and like this you can make auto watering. Look at that. This recyclable pot, something. Some I use this pot, traditional pot, something like this. This is more better. Think more soil I can put. Look at that. So water watering is very popular to me now. Look at that. This is my abiu, but no leaves yet, guys. When I buy, picture was there lots of leaves, something like this. But now no leaves, so I cover it. I make auto watering, so I don't need to give water. If I give water, it is risky sometimes, because if I give too much water, bad for plant. And this is also water watering. This is eggplant. This one. This was leaves, now leaves are dropping. I don't know when they give new leaves. Anyway, waiting, guys. This is sapadilla, have leaves, you see, guys. But it is growing very slowly. Yes, sapadilla always grows slowly. Still waiting. No, never mind. There is jackfruit. Today I cover it because I don't want to give any water, guys. Auto watering is best. I don't need to worry about. I kill lots of plant by giving, excess water, because indoor have no natural air. So water, very careful, guys. Sometimes no water, you don't give water, problem. If you give too much water is a problem. So better is auto watering system, guys. So make it like this, guys. Grow your own favorite fruits and vegetables, guys. Bye bye and peace up.